You like the pillow pet? Whoa, here it goes.
No! No!
He wants to see it too, Avery. Share with little Bubba.
We should get him the dog one. I mean, he's too young for it, but how cute.
They folded up in a...
Just like the commercial,
Yeah,
right?
it's a horsey.
And a unicorn.
Oh, I'm sorry. It's a unicorn. I'm sorry. Oh, we got something else.
What?
Oh, who's this from? Who's this from? Oh, this is my the other.
Oh no!
That's for me. That's me.
What?
That's me.
What is it?
Lidoderm patches. What's that? Open it up.
Are you opening the present down? Tinker! The carrot pet, remember? You know that. The carrot pet.
Whoa.
Ooh.
Show the other. Do the other way.
Oh, look at that! Cool!
No.
He's just trying to help.
This. Wow.
Oh.
Donut, Mom. Donut.
Mom said you love those.
Yeah.
All right, say thanks, Nana Mom.
Thanks, Nana Mom.
I
Avery.
got some chocolate.
Oh, here, here's this for you too. What's all over that?